For our presentation, we had to make it on one of the more advanced research topics that had to do with environmental microbiology, and we chose to do it on biofiltration. Biofiltration is one of nature's solutions for wastewater treatment. We'll discuss how biofiltration works, why it's so important, and how it transforms wastewater treatment worldwide. So what is biofiltration? Biofiltration is a process in which it uses microbial communities which are typically attached to surfaces to break down contaminants in water. When wastewater flows through a filtered bed, pollutants are consumed and transformed from harmful contaminants into less toxic substances. Biofiltration leverages natural microbial processes that are both efficient and environmentally friendly. So here is just a little recap of what biofiltration is, in other words, rather than mine.
Biofiltration is a natural process that is used to clean pollution from water. The biofilter is a garden bed. It contains specifically designed layers of sand and plants. As the water soaks through these layers, pollution is removed. There is a film around the sand grains and roots of the plants that naturally removes nutrients, such as nitrogen and phosphorus, from the water. The water is now clean and can be used for irrigation or returned to the waterways.
Isn't just one type. There are many types of biofiltration which are used in different situations. For one, trickling filters are fixed bed systems when wastewater flows over media with attached biofilms. Biofilms are when microbial communities adhere to surfaces which are crucial for pollutant breakdown. There's also MBBR, where moving bed biofilm reactors use suspended plastic carriers to maximize biomass. Last but not least, there are cell sand filters, where biological layers on sand remove pathogens and suspended solid. So how exactly does biofilm remove pollutants? Is there any specific way? The process relies on three interconnected systems. First, physical filtration traps suspended solids as water flows through the biofilter media. Chemical processes such as adsorption or oxidation can then transform or immobilize certain contaminants. The main process of biofiltration can then work where biological degradation takes place. Microorganisms growing on the filter media metabolizes organic pollutants, nitrogen compounds, and other waste products. They convert harmful substances into harmless end products such as carbon dioxide, nitrogen gas, and biomass. This combination makes biofilters powerful, adaptable, and capable of treating a wide range of wastewater contaminants. So because of their flexibility and their efficiency, biofiltration can hold broad applications across various wastewater treatment needs. In municipal wastewater, the primary and secondary treatment is used to remove organic matter and nutrients like ammonia and nitrate. In industrial settings, it can treat high-strength wastewaters from food processing, chemical manufacturing, or pharmaceuticals. They can also be used for greywater reuse, where it can purify water for non-potable applications, and can also eliminate toxic gases from treatment facilities. So biofiltration isn't just fully one-sided. It has both advantages and limitations. Let's talk about the advantages first. Some of them are that they have compact footprint and they're ideal for limited space. They have low energy consumption compared to conventional methods, and there's high treatment efficiency for various pollutants. On the other hand, they're also sensitive to shock loads and toxic compounds. They have the potential for clogging if not properly maintained, and they require periodic backwashing or media replacement. When all is said and done, these limitations can help engineers design systems that are robust and resilient. Let's look at a specific case study that deals with biofiltration. In this case, a municipal wastewater treatment plant recently implemented an MBBR system to address nutrient removal deficiencies and improve overall effluent quality, particularly with nitrate and ammonia. Before the upgrade, the plant struggled to meet effluent standards due to limited biological treatment capacity. The addition of MBBR modules increased the available surface area for biofilm growth, which enabled a more effective nitrification and denitrification. The graph here basically shows the successful implementation that improved key water quality parameters. In a dark blue, it kind of shows the before the MBBR, and that's where the concentrations of all four were consistently higher than the target needs. After the upgrade, the values dropped heavily. The overall effluent quality improved across the board, and the results demonstrate how transformative biofiltration can be when implemented and supported well. It can showcase really how biofiltration is becoming a cornerstone technology for facilities aiming to meet strict environmental regulations while reducing energy consumption and operating costs. The future of biofiltration is promising. There have been advances of microbial ecology, biofilm engineering, biomedia, AI, industrial applications, and reactor design used to increase treatment efficiency. As global demand increases, biofiltration provides a model of how natural processes can be enhanced and scaled to solve modern environmental challenges. So these are the references that we used. And thank you for listening to our presentation. Do you guys have any questions?